Welcome to Personal Translator Professional 20, the award-winning translation program from Linguatec. Personal Translator Professional 20 stands for convincing translation quality, high level of efficiency, ensure data security, and easy use. Let's have a look how the software works. To start, please open, enter, or copy the text into the source text window of Personal Translator. With just one mouse click, you start the translation. You can either translate the entire text, or select what part of the text should be translated. The translation will appear immediately in the target text window. Personal Translator Professional 20 includes 7 language pairs, so you can choose from 14 translation directions. Personal Translator Professional 20 is fault tolerant. Thanks to Smart Correct, it can not only recognize spelling mistakes, but also correct them automatically before starting the translation. With Personal Translator Professional 20, you can not only translate texts, but also look up words in the huge dictionary. For quick and easy reference, simply use the info panel, Dictionary. You can also add your own words to the dictionary. If Personal Translator Professional 20 doesn't know a specific word, you can easily enter the appropriate translation. From now on, the program will use this translation. If available, you can also add entire word lists to your dictionary. Personal Translator comes with an integrated translation memory. This is ideal for integrating existing translations into the translation process. To look up in the translation memory, just enter the desired search term. In our example, we enter the search term, reply. Select the entry which fits best from the list of target sentences, and copy it into your document. We also recommend that you store your revised translations in the translation memory. You will then save time translating similar texts in the future. If you have many texts to translate, you can send several files simultaneously to be translated. Personal Translator Professional 20 also translates directly in PowerPoint, Outlook, and Word. With PT Direct, you can look up words or translate texts from any application. In our example, we will translate an online text about Pablo Picasso. Simply mark the desired text block and press the short key, Ctrl+C. The translation will appear in the PT Direct window. If you wish, you can also look up words in the dictionary using the short key, Ctrl+C. Personal Translator Professional 20 distinguishes between British and American English. As you can see in our example, the differences are often bigger than one might expect. Data security over the Internet has become a major issue. With Personal Translator Professional 20, you can be sure that your texts remain private, because the translation happens locally on your computer. This is a big difference to online translators, where you have no control if, where, and how long your data are being stored. Personal Translator 20 is available in 3 versions. Personal Translator Intranet 20, the secure and stable server solution for corporations. Personal Translator Net 20, the comprehensive solution for multilingual communication in internal company networks. And Personal Translator Professional 20, the single-user license for professional, fast, and convincing translations. Interested? Then read more on our website www.linguatec.net or order Personal Translator Professional 20 directly in our web shop.